This is Math Lesson 1.8, Addition to 10. After this lesson, you should be able to say, I can use what I know to add numbers to 10. So if you look, we have some problems, and they're the same. So I have a problem that goes across, and that's what we've been seeing as we work. We also have a problem that goes up and down. This is called vertical, and it's the same kind of problem. It's just written a little bit differently. So I have 2 plus 3. So once again, if I want to figure that out, I can draw a model. So I can draw 1, 2, and then I can draw 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and then I can go ahead and count them and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So over here I have the same thing, 2 plus 3. So when we write this, we put the numbers on top of each other, and the plus sign goes in front of the bottom number, and then we put a line, and this line right here is the same as the equal sign right there. So if I were to draw a picture of it, I could put 2, 1, 2, and then I could put 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then when I count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I still have the same answer because they have the same numbers. Now when I write my number, I go ahead and put my number underneath the numbers that I am adding. So here we go. We have 1 plus 4. So I'm going to draw 1. Hold on. I will draw 1, and then I will draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I have 4 and I'm going to add 1 more to it, I have 4, 5. So I have 5 altogether. So if 1 plus 4 is 5, therefore, if I do it vertically, it will also be 1 plus 4 equals 5. They are the same numbers, just one is horizontal across and one is vertical. So we've used pictures to help us add, is one of our strategies. So I have 5 plus 3 equals. So remember, this line right here means equals. So when I say my problem, that's how I will say it. 5 plus 3 equals. All right, so 5, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's add on. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. All right, let's try 3 plus 6. How much do you think 3 plus 6 is? How many altogether? So I know I have 6, and I'm going to count up. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. So if you thought that there were 9, great job. Let's try 3 plus 4 equals. What do you think 3 plus 4 is? Let's count it and see. I have 4 down here, so this right here is 4, and then I'm going to count up. 5, 6, 7. So if you said 7, awesome job. How many do you think 7 plus 2 is? If you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, great job. It is 9. Let's go to our last page. So, remember, if you come across a problem and you don't have any cubes or counters and you cannot make a model, you can draw a model. So I'm going to draw a picture of this. I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I put 5 across and then 2 more. And that will help me see my 10 frame. And then I can put 1 more. So I know I have 2 missing in my 10 frame. So I can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more than 7 is 8. But I also know that if I have 2 missing in my 10 frame, that number is 8. Let's try this one. 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we draw 5 across and then 1 more. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that my full 10 frame is filled, so I have 10. Let's try the next one. I have 3, 1, 2, 3, and I need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of these match up. So I have 5 and 5. So I can see that I have a full 10 frame. So if you said that we had 10, great job. Let's try the last one. How many do you think I should draw? If you said 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, great job. How many more should I draw? If you said 1, 2, 3, 4, awesome. How many is that altogether? If you said 9, you got it right. Now remember, here is the one that's missing from our 10 frame, so I know 1 less would be 9. Awesome job working today.